Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can send your stickers, or rather your duplicate stickers, to your friends in Monopoly Go. The process is quite quick and quite easy, so let's get right into it. What you want to do to actually send your stickers to your friends is go into the album tab on the bottom right of your screen. So let's do that quickly. And once you do click on that, this is the screen that will appear. As you can see, these are all sticker collections, and in some of these collections I have stickers, as you can see by the numbers below the actual collections. Now what you need to do to actually send stickers to your friends is you need to have duplicate copies of those stickers. For example, let's get into the Adventures of Thor sticker collection, and as you can see, the bottom left has 3 stickers which all have a +1, guys. These +1s indicate that these stickers actually have duplicates of them in your inventory, and because you have them in your inventory, you can actually send them to your friends. Let's say I want to send a duplicate of Mjolnir to one of my friends. I'll click on the sticker and the full sticker view will appear in front of me on my screen. As you can see in the bottom, you can only send 5 stickers to your friends daily, so I've already sent 2, and yeah. If you want to actually send it to your friend, you want to click on the Send to Friend button, and you'll get a list of all your friends in your entire friends list. You can select one of them from here, or you can search them by ID in the bottom, but I know actually who I want to send these to, and I want to send them, for example, to Roger. I will click on him, and it will ask me to confirm that I actually want to send them this sticker. I won't, because I want to keep this duplicate for the stars it's worth, but you can send this to your friends this way, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this informative, and I'll see you in another tutorial. Goodbye.